Hi everyone, this is Dave with PC Tech Doctors. We are a tech support and tech help company for people in Southwest Florida. We service the areas between Fort Myers and Sarasota. We also do remote support. No matter where you are, we can connect to your computer, whether you're across town, across state, even internationally. We have connected, throughout the hemisphere and sometimes even further than that. All you need is to be able to, if you can connect to the internet, we can walk you through this download to this application, get it up and running, and we can help you remotely. This is the tutorial, so you can do this and we can get started. Again, my name is Dave with PC Tech Doctors. My website is www.pctechdr.com. I'll put that in the link, as well as any kind of links in the directions here. So let's start. The application we're using for remote help would be called TeamViewer. So let's go to Internet Explorer, Edge browser or Internet Explorer, depending on what version of Windows you have, of course. We're loading it up. And this is the website. I had already prepared it. Again. Okay, so let's load that up. Hopefully it'll load. It is www.teamviewer.com/en/us/download/Windows. You can install this on a Chromebook as well as a Mac laptop or desktop. Right now we are running through the installation for a Windows. So here we go. We have your application website here. We scroll down, and of course, with websites, they update, so it might be a little different, might look a little different from time to time. We want you to download TeamViewer for Windows. Obviously, if we're running Windows, which is what the directions for this are. So I clicked on the link. And now if you're using Chrome, the directions may be a little different, but after we download it, we want to run it. So the directions are just a tad bit different depending on the web browser. So as we're running, this actually will give me a remote desktop. I will be able to see your desktop from wherever I am to fix whatever issues. And it is secure. It won't allow anybody to get on unauthorized, as well as myself, because there's a password that changes. So if I can get on one day, I will not be able to get on the next. So it's a good security for you, as well as an outlet to get help. So what we want to do when this loads is TeamViewer 14, which is a newer version. We want to use a basic installation. And we're going to use personal non-commercial use, because you are not a business. And we're going to do accept and finish. You're going to get a prompt most likely. We're going to choose OK, as we see it being installed. And the installation is straightforward. It's the stuff it's the items after the fact that I could show you that you will need to give to me or anybody actually who's helping you through TeamViewer how to connect to your computer. So with that, that's where the information, where this video comes in handy a little bit better, because I had walked people through this over the phone, and it was a bit of a challenge to get them to the right place and get the right information from them. So this way, this video hopes to be able to mitigate that and make that step easier for those who need help. So here we go. We should be almost done the installation. Again, we're running so we are almost there, hopefully. We're just finishing up. I actually wanted to not edit and just show you in case something's taking longer than it should, so you have a good option. You can always fast forward the video if it's getting a little too slow on your end. Okay, we have that. Okay, so now we can, there we see TeamViewer on your desktop. Here it is loading. Okay, so now this is the important part. You know, you're already connected out to the internet, and this is the app that allows people to connect in. So now your ID, which is kind of like your name in the TeamViewer world, for me it is this number, 744-845-989, and you can change it as well too. The password, as you see it, there's options, and it will refresh quickly so somebody can't get on forever. In my case is this. I will obviously change it after this video, and this is only a virtual desktop setup anyway. It will never be used except for the making of this video. So with that said, you would, after this is done, you go to the main screen and they're going to ask you your ID. Your ID will be that top number, and the password will be that, and then the tech will be able to type that corresponding information in to their system on their end and be able to connect. See where it says control remote computer, you put the partner ID in, and then that's what he would use the other side, and he would be able to connect to you and help you do what needs to be done, fix, clean viruses, clean spyware. There are certain caveats though. If there is an issue where you have to, the tech has to reboot your computer, it will reboot, come back up, and then you'll have to go back. He won't be able to do anything once it reboots, so you will have to actually open TeamViewer again and possibly give him the same, maybe a different password, maybe the same, but you have to give him the same ID and the same the password again so he can reconnect to your computer, because once it reboots, it terminates that session and you'll have a new session. So sometimes the password will be the same, sometimes it changes on the reboot, so you're going to need to open that application for him and give the tech the information again. So with that said, I think this is about it. Again, my name is Dave. I'm with PC Tech Doctors. This is a new YouTube channel. I'm hoping to put some tech how-to videos for different things. And if anybody has any ideas, any comments, suggestions on what you might want to see on this channel, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. Please like, please share this video, and have a great day. Have a great holidays. I know the holidays are just upon us, and hope to hear from you guys and get some feedback on our very first video. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, everybody.